Okay, it is about to rain. Good time to come out here because it's overcast. So it's like almost 2 o'clock on a Tuesday, August the 4th. So I did a little bit more. You can see I did under the tree. And I know y'all like to do, I know y'all like to see a time lapse, but I don't know. I don't want to see that. I'm a big girl. Y'all know that. It does not look pleasant with me doing all that. So other things I don't mind, like cleaning and stuff, but it's just not pretty. So I'm just going to show you before and after. So again, if you didn't see previous videos, I'll link the playlist below. So this is video 3 and of my lampshade makeover, refurbish, whatever you want to call it. So I'm kind of working on the walkway, and then I trimmed there and stuff. Forgot to put the barrel out by the road on Monday. Today's Tuesday, and so it's full, but I do have another one. I'm probably just gonna dump it. This one's, I'm probably just gonna go take it down by the road and just dump it, and I'll make a pile. It goes down there and the city will pick it up. Yeah, they're pretty good about picking everything up. You don't even have to put it in neat piles. So I'm going to continue to do this, and I'm actually going to go put you guys back on the tripod because I'm on the charger because I'm about to run out of batteries. So I'm going to redo this one day soon because it has overgrown. I had cactus in here and stuff, and there's still some left, but the aloe has taken over. And there's so much aloe over here. I'm going to weed that out. There's too much. I'm just going to keep a couple, and I'm going to put it around the perimeter of the yard and just let it go wild. I don't care. Like where the bushes are there, and over here, just dig a hole and put them in and do that. I want to buy something nice to put in this pot. Some flowers, because I don't have anything blooming really much here, except for the bougainvillea over there. So I'm gonna keep checking away at it. All right. Did you get my clippers? I'm gonna get my water. I guess I'm not gonna just come over here and enjoy the rain. I don't know. Might get a nice storm for you guys too. I can feel them. I feel like that's gonna blow right over us, and I'm not even ever gonna rain.
Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. Let's take a look at that.
And y'all, it was heat index of 106 today. I don't know if I believe that. Do you believe that?
Yep.
You do. I guess you were out here earlier walking when it was hot.
Yes.
I have not been stepping outside the house the last couple of days. It was 106 index with the heat index yesterday too. I think it was, what was it, 93?
Yeah.
And then a heat index of 106. That's a big heat index.
I think that stuff's gonna miss us, but I think the stuff behind us is gonna grow and
Raining now. And thunder and then lightning. Waiting for it to crack. Here it comes.
that's gonna hurt.
Out. Woo! Okay, it stopped raining. Oh, he's over there taking another walk. Oh, maybe not. It's sprinkling now. So, I came out here and pulled a little bit more weeds because they're really easy to pull up after it rains. I trimmed into there. I still got a long way to go. So, did I record this? Did I say that? I don't remember if I had recorded that on video, but hubby said we could take this out and then put the philodendron here, so that's good. That needs to be cut some more. I have to get hubby to cut that. This is driving me crazy. That up there looks ridiculous. At least somewhat of a ball. I'm gonna keep plugging away at it. I cleaned up the porch a little bit. I mean, there was just stuff everywhere. It needs to be clean. So I put the mat back. That needs to be repaired, and that needs to be hung back up. It fell down, and the front door needs to be repainted. So hubby has to do something with his bonsais. He let them go. I'm like, you gotta cut them and trim them. I don't know about that man. I love him, but I don't know about him. So, yeah. You know what? I kind of want to get the pressure washer out and pressure wash these bricks. I know it's not time. I need to finish doing what I'm doing, but I don't know. I think I might go get the pressure washer and see what those bricks look like after I pressure wash. Okay. I opened a huge can of worms here. Look at, I'm making a mess. I suppose I could put you on the tripod, but I don't know what I'm doing here. So can you see the difference? So I did a couple of these, but you see down here, and I did a couple of the stepping stones too. But it's just it's making mulch go everywhere. And see how yucky those ones are? I know it's kind of hard to tell because they are wet. Once they dry, you'll be able to definitely tell the difference. I mean, look at how mildewy those are for sure. So there's that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm in a hot mess. I don't know that I want to be on camera. Yeah, I don't take a shower before I film these kind of videos because I'm just going to get nasty. So at one time, but they're already getting mildewy again. It's the moisture. You know? Florida, it's just, yeah. It is me out here to professionally pressure wash some of this. I get all ahead of myself. I don't know. I'm just doing a couple things. So you can see I did these two stones, and then you see how dirty that one is. And that windowsill is horrible. And I did over there by the faucet, which is leaking. Part of the problem. There's like green mildew over there. So we need the whole house pressure washed. But I just wanted to do a quick little, I definitely did not do a good enough job, but I just want to do a quick little thing. That's just horrible. I'm guessing that's because of the eaves. There's so much that needs to be done around here. Yeah, breathe, Michelle. Breathe, it's okay. It's okay. So, and then, you know, like I said, I opened a can of worms because this is what happened. I was cleaning off cleaning off the cracks, and then I oopsied and got on the sidewalk, so now that needs done. But like I said, I need to put that on my procrastination list. So I did that, and then I went over here and I was like, you know what? What will happen if I pressure wash this thing? Because it needs to be redone. And you see that? Look, that's all I need to do is pressure wash it. See the difference between that one and that? I just need to pressure wash it. I might need to replace the rope on that, and then we'll be good to go. And maybe I'll seal that. I don't know. I probably should stop while I'm ahead. I'm not ahead, but you know what I'm saying. I probably should just stop where I'm at. Did I show you I pressure washed some of these bricks and clean up my mess, and I gotta make dinner. 6:40, so that was like an hour, right? And then I was out here earlier, so I cleaned up everything, put the pressure washer away, rinsed off the porch a little bit. I did pressure wash this one thing. Maybe I'll do that every time I get the pressure washer. I'll just do one. Yeah, not just a little bit, just because I messed it up. But I need to have a professional job done. So, yeah, I got it cleaned up. I don't know, is it looking any different? Not much from the last time. So, getting there, concentrating on this section. For sure, maybe by the time we get this whole thing done, then hubby and I will have made a decision on whether to do a patio here or not. I vote yes. Yeah, look at that gutter. Ugh. Yeah, I gotta get somebody out here. Problem is I don't want to do that because I feel like I might have to do it again because we plan on painting the house. We're not ready to do that just yet because my sister and her husband are going to do it, and yeah, they can't do it right now. So I want to pressure wash the house just before they paint. Yeah, because otherwise it's going to have to be done again. You see how wet it is and everything, and it's just going to mildew again. So I'm going to do something else real quick before I finish. I think I'm going to cut that back. I don't know what that is called, some kind of variegated something or another, but that thing grows like crazy. So I think I'm going to cut it back a little bit more. So take a look at it so you can see the before and the after, since you're not seeing the during on this video. Yeah, okay, it still needs cut there. I don't know, good enough for now. I don't want to cough too much at one time. Hubby really likes, that's one of his favorite plants, so I don't want to cut off too much at one time. You gotta do it little by little. Yes, that's it. So that's what, if anybody's been following me for a long time, you know that's what I did here. There was way more bushes than this, and when he was at work, my sister and her husband helped me take out some of the bushes. I think we took out 3. He barely even noticed. Yeah, so you got to do baby steps. Anyway, so all right, I think that's it for this video. It might be a short video, I'm not really sure. I'll have to see when I put it all together for you, but that's it for episode 3. Stay tuned to episode 4. There will be many more. So I'm sorry I didn't time lapse it. I know some of you like that, but I don't know. It just was not going to work out this time. I'll try to do some more in another video. That's it. I'm gonna go inside and take a shower and make some dinner. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.